I'm Nicky Fernandez and I manage Oak Haven, which is a home from Little Gems. And it's a home that focuses on children with special needs. This home is the only home in South Africa that is non-denominational, non-race based, with no leaning towards any specific special needs. So it's not an autism home or CP home. It's open and inclusive to all special needs, whether diagnosed or not. And it has no age limit either. We've had children from 3 months old all the way to 24 years old already living with us. We have a variety of children. We have some with autism, some with CP, some with Asperger's, and then many who are undiagnosable. They just have special needs or global developmental delays. We have a residential program. We also have a respite program and a daycare program. The residential children will live here full-time, 365, 24 hours a day. They get watched and looked after. They get all their meals here. They are part of our stimulation program. If they can go to a school, we then negotiate with schools to send them through, like flutterbuys. We also run in-house training with them just for life skills and being able to give them a choice. So they get to choose from, are they going to have this meal or that meal? What clothing are they going to wear today? To looking after themselves, being able to brush teeth and run as much of an independent life that they're in charge of as they can. We are the last place for the children that we take in. They cannot be taken anymore by other special needs centers, special needs schools, and by their family because of the training it takes to manage the behavior. Both parents need to work to run a household, so they can't have 24-hour care for their child. It's just not possible. Further down on the spectrum, we have children who just cannot afford to be here, and we can't turn them away, because the result for those children would be being locked up in a psychiatric institution or just being neglected and let go. Social grants don't cover the costs of special needs children. It's less than actually 8% of an average monthly income for a child with special needs. So we need to cover those costs, and we can't keep charging exorbitant fees to cover them because families also cannot afford to keep paying more expensive fees each time. Without government support and funding, we do need support from the public, we need support from corporates as well. Everybody can get involved, from offering basic services to working through our needs list, such as washing machines or repairs that need doing, all the way through to monetary contributions for our running expenses, up into actually sponsoring the home as a whole. So everybody has a place in the system.